It's a beautiful day, and we're on an ATV ride. Beautiful day in Cloquet. A little redneck fun. How can you not like this stuff? If this stuff makes you a redneck, I'm proud to be a redneck. They got their mud holes down there. First ride like this I've been on, raising money for the vets, the Cloquet VFW. Stop along the way. It's about a 10-mile trek, and yeah, stop along the way. They have games and shit. You can, pay $5, $1, or whatever, and raise this money. And then we get to go to the VFW in Cloquet. Look at that guy. Ain't much that guy's not gonna get through. Look at the tires on that thing. I think that's a big Outlander or something. Yeah. Good times, man. Good times. We get to go have barbecue pork sandwiches and other good grub at the VFW after we get done with the ride. So things are good. Oh, he's gonna go again, I think. Here he goes. I've only watched this shit on YouTube until now.
Oh my God, look at that guy.
Oh yeah, look at that. He's really getting into it. Good times, people, good times.